Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie. So today we're gonna be talking about how you can work from home with kids during this pandemic, now with or without a nanny or a childcare. I'm also gonna be sharing some tips that actually work when you're working from home around with your kids. But before we start, shout out muna kina and congratulations to these two beautiful ladies na nasa training na. To be honest, I'm contemplating if gagawin ko pa tong video na to kasi I just think na it's very personal. The solutions that you can do really depends on the support that you have from your families, your extended families, your in-laws, something like that. I actually have my husband with me. He's always listening. He's always listening every time I do my YouTube videos. Kasi sometimes he have some inputs or additional information, something which is also very helpful. So, Han, I'm gonna be sharing our struggles. He's not listening.
What?
He's watching One Piece.
Bye. Ah!
I decided na gawin ko siya kasi I received a lot of questions. Hindi lang dalawa, tatlo, but I think more than 10 questions about how I manage my work, taking care of my family, doing YouTube, ganon. And most of the questions I receive ay galing sa mga working moms. Moms na gustong mag-work from home. Hearing their stories and answering their questions made me realize na parang this is a silent issue talaga na working moms face every day. I know that society see us women as a nurturer, but I don't think that we are limited to just doing or taking care of our family. We have also dreams. We also want to have a career of our own, parang ganon.
Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw yung unang makakita.
Before we go down to the tips, the set of tips or how you can start working from home around with your kids, with or without childcare or nanny, let me share to you guys our story. When I decided na mag-work from home, what I did first is discuss it with my husband. Ano yung shift ng work from home na tina-target ko, ganon. At first, he hesitated kasi baby pa yung parang months old pa lang yung baby namin, and then nag-struggle kami maghanap ng nanny. But in the long run, parang he realized na I needed the job or we needed the job, parang ganon. And thankfully, we're living with my parents that time, and my extra room, hindi siya extra room, yung room ng kapatid ko yung ginawa namin, parang home office ko kasi yung kapatid ko nag-work sa city and walang gumagamit sa room niya, so yun yung ginawa namin home office. May set up na kaming PC noon. Problem na lang is how I can work at night kasi yung husband ko umuwi lang siya sa bahay every weekend kasi yung trabaho niya no na nasa city. So we asked our parents, and I'm really very grateful na tumulong yung parents ko sa pagbabantay ng baby while nag-work ako at night. When we decided na magbukod ng bahay at nirahan sa city, doon na yung struggle namin kasi wala kaming nanny and wala yung parents na mag-help. So forcing na talaga namin na masasacrifice talaga yung rest at tulog ko. Thankfully, time niya with his company, flexible siya. So, pwede siyang mag-start in the morning, and in the afternoon, pwede na siyang magbabantay kay baby. Yun yung parang naging routine namin everyday. The first tip really is to talk it out to your family, your partner, your support system. Every time you need help, nandyan sila para makatulong sa'yo, para makatrabaho ka at home. The second tip also is really have your own designated office para din makafocus ka sa work mo and para iwas distractions. The third tip also is find a company or a client that respect and understand working moms. I have experience no na when I decided na work from home, I got rejected many times kasi nga daw I'm a working mom and how I can work or balance everything, especially kapag working daw from home, they think that it's impossible for mom to handle work and baby. Even though na sinabihan ko siya kung ano yung solusyon ko or ano yung way ko para maka-work from home, parang fixated na siya sa idea na I can't or working mom can't do it both. It's really sad na may mga company or it's really important to find a company or a client that truly respect working moms. Gumawa po kayo ng parang schedule or routines for your babies. This is also helpful, especially kapag sineset nyo yung routine time niya on when he can do his naps or what time he can sleep at night, ganun.
May ginawa na akong daily schedule for my baby noon na hanggang ngayon, sinusunod pa rin namin. Makikita mo dito yung mga activities niya, indoor and outdoor activities, as well as the morning, afternoon, and evening routine niya. By doing this every day, na-establish na namin yung nap time niya at kung when siya matutulog sa gabi, which is really helpful.
Sometimes nga, yung baby ko na yung magre-remind sa akin kapag may mga activities kaming hindi nagawa. I think this is the video. Dito ko pinakita lahat yung daily routine niya. Interested to watch, just click the iCard and you can go ahead and watch. Once ma-establish mo na yung routine ni baby, masiset mo na yung nap time ni baby. So, when the baby naps, ako din matutulog. Maximize your baby's nap time. Your baby's nap is your nap also. Yung baby ko, nagna-nap time siya, I think 3.5 hours. Sometimes din, hindi siya nafa-follow, especially kapag sobrang active ni baby. But, he sleeps really early at night. Kapag hindi siya nakanap sa afternoon, natutulog siya ng very early, like 7 or 8 sa gabi, ganun. Times din, nafu-follow talaga. May nap time and natutulog siya ng maaga sa gabi. May mahaba-haba akong oras para matulog. So, nagising po yung baby ko. Nung nagkaroon na kami ng nanny sa bahay, live-in nanny sa bahay, may tamang tulog na kami ng husband ko. So, yung ginagawa na lang namin during his nap time is nagpi-film ako ng YouTube videos. And sometimes, after filming the YouTube videos, what are you doing? I'm playing with my baby. Na-walk namin siya outside. We're still following his daily schedule. So, I think that's it for today's video. And if you have any additional information, dagdag na information about how you can work from home around with your kids, please leave a comment below. If you're new here to my YouTube channel, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para on my next video, ikaw yung unang makakakita. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Look at here. Bye-bye!
Hi! Here! Bye-bye!
Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.